and continue talk. I'm not playing no match.
Okay, you can just, girl. It's just me and you now.
I'm not playing any match. Nothing like that. I'm just talking to my people.
So why you accept me then?
So why you still a talk, lady? Now come here up with it. Cause me think so, as somebody want join me because I'm talking. I wasn't playing any match. I don't play match.
So why you
You know, come
accept
here with
it?
no attitude.
I'm not giving you attitude. I'm just
So go
asking
on,
why
no
you
man.
accept.
Me tell you some I want to play a match. Yeah, come and argue with me. What else gone? Where you still a do ya? Let me not play no match. You did ya chat.
I'm going to unfollow you. You're very rude.
Like you.
Thank you.
Exactly. When I ram to me, they talk proper something, you come. Talk about people and elevate people. When I ram too much, you see your favor. Everything red pan you. Boy, yeah, and follow me. Tell you if you follow. Make she stay there laugh. Me there I want to do me talk, me want talk, me no play a match. Me think I'm a friend a join me. Who want come talk and come, me no play a match cause me no give people nothing for give me. If I tap them not tap up much less. Me no beg people nothing. If them want give me, then give me. Me no give nobody nothing for put on. Me no hungry, so my son gonna buy food there. Where she come from? Oh, she got and follow me. Tell her to follow me. What's you think me nice? She must think me nice. No nice. Me say me not play no match. One person gone, two person gone. She did there force me to play a match. Me tell her I want to play a match. Say me too rude. She never know me rude. I know she know me rude. Bella, come join me on the live and come chat with me. Cause look while me swear say I only did up on the live and want come chat with me. By this time I want a little devil girl in a beer red, everything red pan her. But she got unfollow me like me tell her say, me know her. Me know you from Adams. So oh you just come from Jamaica, Bella, and want go back again. I want me to your son Jamaica, what down there. I know say the sun a shine and sugar cane down there sweet and them something there. And the mango them sweet and the jerk pork and the jerk chicken and the juicy beef patty and tasty patty. KFC. Neesberry and all these berries about Jamaica.
Hey,
Yeah, continue about Jamaica.
please
You did
God.
up on the live little while when they want to play a match and me tell the girl no.
Look how long me there I watch you.
She don't know something we send her up.
But no, I went over her live and I was trying to tell her to go away, move. She doesn't want to play. But she just don't listen and she was just laughing. She's so
Make
stupid.
she stay there and laugh. You know, say she have to take her off herself, but me must take her off. Me fi accept it and just mute her. Me not
Um,
play a match cause me not even can ask people fi tap the live much less fi go beg them send something. Why Bella, me Dino gone in a supermarket, me no come out of the car cause I'm afraid fi go in a supermarket, me I go pick up the cake and the sweetie something them.
I heard you.
I
I
mean,
heard you, but
nah,
you
come out, but my skin want tell me run up in a supermarket.
don't go in there.
I'm
Where
not
is it?
going there because the belly need to go because the Bella said let's go Jamaica.
Let's go Jamaica.
When you go Jamaica again?
May I figure out my mind. I'm weighing my mind. I want to go, but I want to go for a very long time. Like, very long time.
Hello, Shana K.
Yes, babes.
Hi, Janake.
Hi, darling.
Shana K, this is my friend Bella.
Hi,
No,
Bella.
Janake.
This is our Shana K.
Me know her.
Alright. Bella, half I live we talk.
But what?
Chana K, half I live we talk. And Bella, half I live we talk. Bella gonna meet that lady one day too.
I sit down on my balcony here. For when me not sit down on this balcony here. This England place is cold like what?
Don't worry, me just get one message. One message just come. Okay, that's good. Nice. Right, that's so.
Right, this is she.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah,
The
I'm going
girl
to introduce me to that lady there.
The girls say all when they not have no money for go to school, the picking them still want go to school, Bella.
Oh.
Well, at least I mean, I feel I look up and down, and I make Bella distract me from me go get lit down like the woman will get lit down with the truck.
No, nobody get no lick
No.
down.
No, but I did. I went Shana K there, England or Jamaica?
Jamaica, but when Shana K come from my life, me swear I did at England, Shana K live.
I thought so too.
Bella, go back to Jamaica again, Dino.
Why not?
Dino say why not?
Exactly, Dino. Tell her.
Dino, you buy carrot cake for me?
No.
You buy carrot cake?
No. I got you strawberry yogurt though.
You get strawberry yogurt?
Yeah. I get that for you, but I ain't get you no cake.
Low fat as well, Dino. That's what you should tell her.
Oh, carrot cake I got, man. It's a good stuff, man. Yeah.
Juliana laugh.
The man says second myself.
But I buy some fruits if you want small.
Fruits.
Buy spinach too.
And spinach. Me bumbo.
What you say, Neil? Lisa should check the stuff before she leave. Lisa, see Neil, I'll give you advice there.
Check what?
Maybe the stuff that your son bought.
Him not go buy this something cause him know what you know the program on me depend. Me I try. That's why me not going to the supermarket.
Lisa, you're not trying, you're doing well.
Program.
Come to Jamaica with me 2 weeks and you lose all of the weight we are talking about, Lisa.
I want me to go Jamaica for true. But me I go set up my cash app. No, me can't afford that ticket then. So me I go start ask people for help.
Lisa, I'm gonna show you off the air, I'll show you, but there are tickets cheaper than that. It's not as bad as you think.
Okay, well you have to go show me Bella.
But listen, are you willing to come? Okay, I flew with British Airways the other day, but that was because I booked 5 months in advance. So if you don't want to book, if you want British Airways or Virgin, it depends what you want. There's also TUI. TUI is much cheaper.
Yeah, but on a Montego Bay and me live at the next side.
No, at Kingston, Milan. At Kingston, me I go. Me not going Montego Bay.
TUI go Montego Bay.
No, TUI go Montego Bay for real, yeah. But saying that, there is a bus. Yesterday, my sister tried it. She took the bus in Oxford from Montego Bay. It carry go straight to Kingston.
And that my mother say.
Yeah, and let me tell you something. I was so worried about her, and she took it. She was coming off before because she come off from Mandeville, but it continued on to Kingston.
It go up New Kingston.
Yes, and you come off there, so
and your family come pick you up there.
Yeah, and it's only $3,000. Like not too bad. You don't know. As we reach at the airport here in England, I start feel sick.
You start feel sick?
Yeah, God no. I start feeling sick. I start feeling like anxiety. Everything is like, I feel, what the hell is going on? I don't know.
What makes you luck?
Like my spirit not take that place anymore.
What I say what luck? Oh.
And I think, you know, I have a good job. I live in a very good area. I live in a good house. I don't know what's wrong with me. Me not like, me think say, you know, one time me think say having all of these things would make you happy.
A good girl have her Porsche.
And Lisa, you are
have to go sell a Porsche there.
Lisa, be careful with you, Lisa. Lisa.
If you have plan to go home, you have to go start selling things them.
I start sell everything.
Yeah, sell a Porsche.
I sell everything and move back home.
Cause you're gonna need a ride down there.
It's just that everybody's telling me, oh, your son going to... I look at a private school in Jamaica.
So, Bella, you properly a plan, you know?
Yeah.
You properly a plan, Bella. You're not play a joke.
And I'm happy for him to go there, but everybody else are telling me... Everyone else, Lisa, telling me, oh, I think it's best if he finish in the UK, and... I really don't see the point. I don't see the point.
Ask him how he feel, Bella.
My son was ready for go to Florida go live right now.
Go send him my father.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm more like to send him
to his dad.
Florida's not that far
And
from
then
Jamaica.
Florida is not far from Jamaica and can always come at you.
That's
And you
what
can always got him because girl can fly.
that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking to really make this move next year because for me, like the
And
UK
then
for me,
girl gonna marry to boy. Bella.
more time.
Bella and you're gonna marry to
Lisa.
father.
Well, I tell you, Lisa. Keep calling me, man.
Oh,
And
somebody
people
are
are
calling
easy,
you.
you know, they'll just call me now. My sister,
One
they
answer
call
and
me now.
come
I don't
back.
know what they're calling.
What you give them?
No, that my sister asked me for something. I think they're buying some furniture, something in the shop.
Oh.
They as I'm saying, I'm left my bank card with them.
A Jamaica?
Yeah, everything.
And girl rich, girl rich.
No, it's my
Oh,
sister
because
look
of
over.
my bill.
Yeah, everything, and then just use my card and swipe it and buy what they need to because you know the sending and money and everything is just inconvenient.
Yeah, me understand.
You have to put things into place, Lisa. Me a girl way, honestly, I will sacrifice for what I want in life.
Somebody are gonna force come
If
here.
me did there in England, I buy ear and nails and take away, God no. Ah boy. Me soon book it. By next week me book. Me gone, me not stay here, so.
Me
Remember say me
kinda
have work to do at
understand.
Jamaica, you know? Remember say me have
Yeah.
my house to build, me have things to do down there. Me rather wake up and see black and cement and look and eat mango. At least me hungry and I eat mango every day until the process done, me not care.
Yeah.
Let me just eat my mango and chill. Me not go hungry.
And you have sugar cane. Me didn't know. Me didn't know. You forgot go for your man, you know? Oh.
And the man then I left. You know how much years we there
Let me
together?
tell you something. You see, sometimes some girl thinks that they get somebody. The man heart not the say, no?
Lisa, me have to tell you something. The other day, me not call him and tell you, say, look, Red, boom, bam, bam, me have something to deal with. He said, don't worry, by 24 hours money in the account.
I like a Bella.
Yes, just like that. Just like that. I'm going to tell you something. It's not something that I probably do because I don't do that. I'm very independent. You know me already. But you see, the thing is, you see, with him, oh, we've been through everything. You see people are not talk about, you sit down pan road and eat bag juice and bulla and we don't have $1. And me and him that.
Yes,
like,
so now him have a little food him accomplish. Him remember you, him a flashback and him a say, today me post something upon me something. Some of them man, when time they give themselves some certain trouble in their 20s, when they get older, they start reflect and say if them they know they would do this, they would do that, they would have stay with the one that they would have, you know? And that
yes.
the man I got you.
Lisa, you see me at Jamaica, I licking chip. You hear me now? Jesus. Wait, I saw your
Say
stairs.
they know.
And no, he said, but you haven't changed. You haven't changed one bit. And Lisa, then comes the messages on his
Me say
story.
want move back right now.
I want to move back right now. Right now. I'm a best friend, man. Me and him talk and laugh. Now, let me tell you something. You see, since we've not been together for the last, 7, 8 years, it's been the best relationship we have. Really. Just co-parenting. Honestly, sometimes people, I mean, I said this for belittle anybody or for patronize it.
Like oxtail and goat.
Look at you. Are you the rich one?
No, me in care food go work.
Oh, your son carry food to work? To be honest, I have an half a salmon that I took out the fridge from this morning. I'm going to make that tomorrow.
Yeah, in care food go work.
So you cook for the week?
Yeah, me not really cook every minute. You know, see girl body.
Yes, me see the body. I like that outfit. It's a nice color.
Girl body.
It looks good on you, Lisa.
Yeah, girl I lose
Hey,
weight.
Kay. Hey, Kay. See Kay there? Kay,
Girl I lose weight and thing.
Lisa, Jamaica would look so good for you and for your content and everything. Me stop
And
talking to you.
then girl just want to lose the belly because when time girl go Jamaica, girl have to wear her bad suit, my love.
I mean, to tell you.
You see like how you are going with yourself? As someone want go on.
So Lisa, you never see me on the boat?
I remember someone want scale pan the toll.
Lisa, you didn't see me on the boat. Lisa, I need to tell you about that boat story.
Yes, Bella.
You never see me on the boat, and the girl.
You want scale pan the toll.
You want to get...
Why?
Oh gosh, you want to get on the toll. Look, my Mr.
Drive.
Handsome. Look, my
Free
nice,
driver.
clean son. Nice, clean son.
Lisa. Hello. Okay. Nuh-uh. Eh? What? You got in. Eh?